Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today we will be discussing important support for some large cap companies along with the Nifty and Bank Nifty strategies. However, before that we need to know what is happening in the global markets, why they are trading higher despite the cautionary statement from the Jackson Hole meeting. Chinese equities surged at the open as the government lowered stamp duty on stock trades for the first time since 2008 and pledged to slow the pace of initial public offering. It certainly helps equity markets in the medium term. Shares also rose in Japan, South Korea and Australia. US contracts or US benchmark indices were marginally higher after both the S&P 500 index and Nasdaq 100 advanced Friday post Powell's remark. Even though the statement was cautionary, maybe we can say that the market has discounted lot of negativeness in the previous week, and maybe that's the reason we saw some recovery after the specific statements or remarks. But if we go through with our markets, then the gift Nifty is up nearly 40-45 points. On Friday, we saw a good amount of sell-off in our markets. The market failed to sustain above the levels of 19,250, which was crucial. But however, the closing was about the same. So broadly, we are of the view that in case if we see that the market is not breaking the levels of 19,230, then we can expect upward activity in the market, which will help the market to move towards 19,350, and above 19,350 we can expect some short covering which will send the market towards 19,450. In case if it breaks 19,250, then we can expect 230, then we can expect further more weakness towards 19,180, 19,100 and in the worst case scenario 19,000. So broadly we are of the view that we are at crucial juncture and we need to follow the levels. For the Bank Nifty, the important level is at 44,000. Below that, the chances of hitting 43,600 and 350, 43,600 and 43,350 would turn bright. On the higher side, 44,750 is going to act as resistance and 45,000 in the best case scenario. But for the IT index, the picture is completely different. It is not participating whenever there is a fall in the market. So based on the formation, we can expect bullishness if it crosses the levels of 31,300. Above that, 31,750, 800 seems achievable. Below 30,750, we can expect weakness for the Nifty IT Index. Apart from these indices, if we talk about some large cap companies as we promised, then in that Reliance is now very close to its support area of 2450. Below that we can expect weakness up to 2400. For the on the higher side, 2500 is going to act as resistance. Above that, 2530, 35 seems achievable. Apart from that, HDFC Bank, which is down consistently from the highs, is now very close to its support area of 1565, 1550, and if there is a medium to long term view, then around current levels we should be a buyer. Apart from this, if we talk about some other indices, then in that we are going to keep a close watch on metal index. In that, Tata still looks good around 115, 114 levels. Below 115, the stock can fall to maybe 112, 111. But based on its formation, we are expecting some upward activity towards 120, 125 in the near term. So based on the levels, we should look for taking some bets in the market. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.